So have a good day. So continuation of our lesson about rational equation. So for example number 3, we have 2x minus 1 all over x minus 3 or x minus 4 rather plus x plus 2 all over x 3x minus 12. So first we need to find the factor of 3x minus 12. So the factor of 3x minus 12 is equal to 3 multiplied by the quantity x minus 4. So may parehas na po tayong denominator which is x minus 4. So kunin na lang po natin yung 3 po natin. So magiging LCD po natin is equal to 3 multiplied by the quantity x minus 4. Okay po? Bakit isa lang po yung nilagay po natin x minus 4? Dahil may kaparehas na po siya sa first polynomials po natin which is the denominator is equal to x minus 4. Kaya isa na lang po yung nilalagay po natin. So for our solution, we need to rewrite the given 2x plus 1 all over x minus 4 plus x plus 2 all over 3x minus 12 or 3 times the quantity x minus 4. Then we need to multiply the LCD to our given polynomials. So 2x plus 1 all over x minus 4 multiplied by 3 times the quantity x minus 4. So, cancel po natin x minus 4 kasi magkaparas naman po sila. Matitiran lang po is 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3. So, ito na po yun. Then, next sa kabila naman po, x plus 2 all over 3 times the quantity x minus 4 times 3 multiplied by the quantity x minus 4. So, pares naman po sila. Cancel na lang po natin. Matitira na lang po is x plus 2. So, ito na po yun. Then yung operation po na nag-aati po sa kanila which is addition. Okay? So we need to simplify. 3 times 2x is equals to 6x. Then 3 times 1 is equals to 3. Then yung copy po natin yung second polynomials po natin na x plus 2. Ito na po. Then we need to combine like terms. 6x plus x is equals to 7x. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Then copy the denominator or LCD po natin is equals to 3 multiplied by the quantity x minus 4. So our final answer will be 7x plus 5 all over 3 times the quantity x minus 4. Okay po. So for example number 4, we have 3 over x squared minus 2 over 5x. So first thing that we need to do is to find the LCD. So our LCD is equals to 5x squared. By simply, we need to factor the denominator. So factor po ng x squared po natin is equals to x times x. Okay po? Then factor po ng denominator po natin na 5x is equals to 5 times x. Dahil parehas na po sila ng x, hindi na po, isa lang po yung gagamitin po natin. Then 5 times x is equals to 5x. Tapos yung isang x po, naka-quantity po natin. So 5x times x is equals to 5x squared. So our LCD is equals to 5x squared. So next, we need to multiply our LCD to our given polynomials. So 3 over x squared multiplied by 5x squared minus 2 over 5x multiplied by 5x squared. So cancel po natin magkaparehas x squared. Matitira na lang po is 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Tapos ng operation po, minus. Then sa kabila naman po tayo. 2 over 5x multiplied by the quantity 5x squared. So cancel po natin yung 5x. Matitira na lang po dito is x. So 2 times x is equal to 2x. And our final answer is equals to 15 minus 2x all over 5x squared. So for our last example, number 5, 4x. Baba po muna natin. 4x over 2x minus 1 minus 5 all over x minus 6. So first thing that we need to do is to find the LCD. So our LCD is equals to 2x minus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6. Then we need to multiply our LCD to our given polynomials. So 4x over 2x minus 1 times our LCD po natin, 2x minus 1 multiply by the quantity x minus 6. So cancel po natin yung magkaparehas ng 2x minus 1. Matitira na lang po is 4 multiply by the quantity x minus 6. Okay po? So ito na po yun. 4x multiply by the quantity x minus 6. The next polynomials po natin, 5 over x minus 6 multiply by the quantity 2x minus 1 times x minus 6. So, cancel po natin x minus 6 kasi magkapares naman po sila. Matitira na lang po is negative 5 multiply by the quantity 2x minus 1. So, ito na po yung sa kabila. Then, we need to simplify. So, 4x times x is equals to 4x squared. Then, 4x times negative 6 is equal to negative 24x. Then, sa kabila naman po, negative 5 multiplied by 2x is equals to negative 10x. The negative 5 multiplied by negative 1 is equal to positive 5. Ito po. Then copy the denominator or our LCD, which is 2x minus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6. Okay, then we need to simplify. Dahil magkaparehas po sa combine like terms, negative 24x minus 10x is equals to wait lang po. Baba natin para makita nyo. Negative 34x. Okay? Pinagsama po natin yung negative 24x minus 10x. So, negative 24x minus 10x is equals to negative 34x. And our final answer will be 4x squared minus 34x plus 5 all over 2x minus 1 multiplied by the quantity x minus 6. So, example number 6. 2 over a plus 1 minus, gawin natin itong a. A minus 2 all over a squared minus a minus 2. So, first things that we need to do is to find the LCD. So, our LCD is equals to a plus 1 multiplied by the quantity a plus 2. Okay po? So, paano po natin nakuha yung LCD? So, kailangan po, hanapin po natin yung factor ng denominator po natin. So, factor po nitong a squared minus a minus 2 is equals to a plus 1 multiplied by the quantity a plus 2. Okay po? Dahil magkaparas na po sila yung a plus 1 sa kabila, isa na lang po yung gagamitin po natin. Hindi na po a plus 1 squared. Okay? So, our LCD is equals to a plus 1 multiplied by the quantity a plus 2. Then, proceed po tayo sa pinaka-given po natin. Given polynomials. So, we need to multiply our LCD to our given polynomials, which is 2 over a plus 1 multiplied by the quantity a minus 2 times the quantity a plus 1. So, cancel po natin a plus 1 dahil magkaparehas naman po sila. Matitira na lang po is 2 multiplied by the quantity a minus 2. So, ito na po yung nasa baba. Sa kabila din po, ganyan din po yung gagawin po natin. Minus, yung sign po natin or operation po natin, a minus 2 all over a minus 2 multiplied by the quantity a plus 1. So, times a minus 2 multiplied by the quantity a plus 1. So, cancel po natin to dahil magkaparehas naman po. Matitira na lang po is negative. Ay minus the quantity a minus 2. So, meron po tayo dito divisible by 1. So, negative 1 multiplied by a is equals to negative a. The negative 1 multiplied by negative 2 is equals to positive 2. Then, we need to simplify. 2a minus a is equals to a. The negative 4 plus 2 is equals to negative 2. So, so our final answer will be 1 all over a plus 1. So, bakit po naging 1 over a plus 1? So, we need to divide common factor which is a minus 2. So, cancel po natin, magiging 1 na lang po yan. So, is equal to 1. So, our final answer will be 1 over a plus 1. Okay po? So, how about in multiplication of rational expression? So to multiply rational expression, the following principle is used for all polynomials a, b, c, and d, where b and d is not equal to 0. So ulitin ko po kapag yung denominator po natin is equal to 0, automatic po yung polynomials po natin is undefined. So for example, we have 5 over a multiplied by the quantity a squared plus a over 7a. So kanina po, yung operation po natin is addition and subtraction. Kailangan po hanapin po natin yung LCD. So ngayon naman po, dahil multiplication po yung operation po natin, hindi na dapat natin kailangan hanapin yung LCD. Proceed na po tayo agad sa pinaka-operation po natin, which is multiplication. So we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator. So unahin po muna natin yung numerator po natin. So 5 multiply by our second polynomial, which is a squared plus a. So ito na po yun. 5 multiply by the quantity a squared plus a. Then sa denominator din po, a times 7 is equals to 7a. Then we need to divide common factor, which is a. So cancel po natin a, matitira na lang po is 5 multiplied by the quantity a plus 1 over 7. So our final answer will be 5 multiplied by the quantity a plus 1 all over 7. So for example number 2, y over y squared minus 1 multiplied by the quantity y squared plus 4y plus 3 all over xy. So proceed na po tayo agad sa pinaka-operation po natin, which is multiplication. So we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator. So y times numerator po natin, which is y squared plus 4y plus 3. Ito na po yung nasa baba. The denominator po natin, y squared minus 1 multiplied by xy. Okay po? Then we need to factor the numerator and the denominator, or we need to factor the expression. Kung pwede pa po natin siya i-factor. So factor po natin yung ito na lang. Yung y squared plus 4y plus 3 is equals to y plus 3 multiplied by the quantity y plus 1. Then denominator naman po natin, pinagbaliktad ko lang po ito yung y squared minus 1 multiplied by xy, pinagbaliktad ko po para hindi po nakakalito. So magiging xy, multiply yung pinactor po natin na y squared minus 1 is equal to y minus 1 multiplied by the quantity y plus 1. Then we need to divide common factor. So common factor po nila is y plus 1 then and y. So cancel po natin. Matitira na lang po is y plus 3 all over x multiplied by the quantity y minus 1. Okay? So yun na po yung pinaka-final answer po natin. So for our final answer will be y plus 3 is all over x multiplied by the quantity y minus 1. So kung gusto niyo po himay-himayin, ito po yung pinaka-himay-himay po na computation po natin. Pero pag ano po, tuloy-tuloy, ito po pababa. So for example number 3, x squared minus 5x minus 14 all over x squared plus 6x plus 9 multiplied by x squared minus 9 all over 3x minus 21. So we need to factor the numerator and the denominator. So factor of x squared minus 5x minus 14 is equals to x minus 7 multiplied by the quantity x plus 2. The denominator naman po, x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to x plus 3 multiplied by the quantity x plus 3. So kung ano pong ginawa po natin sa left side, ganun din po yung gagawin